I like that.
One shot, right?
Oh, I like that. That's perfect.
Hey, B.
What's up?
Have you heard of Kern County?
No.
It's in California.
No.
Let me show you the sheriff. Okay, you guys can't see us, but I'm going to show you the sheriff. What does that tell you? Boys don't play?
I like it.
Right?
I like it.
So this video you're going to see here is this known subject to the officers is causing havoc.
So they know him.
They know him.
They've dealt with him before, multiple times.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. So we're going to pick up the video where he runs into this guard shack surveillance video. See how I spelled that or did that?
Did you misspell it?
No, I didn't. Oh, but thank
Somebody
you.
misspelled it.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Did you see how he ran in there?
Yep.
Okay.
I did see that.
You're going to see.
The Gad shack.
He takes him at knife point.
Ooh. Okay. That's not good.
Mm-mm.
Not starting off good.
No.
Is he going to stick him? Knife to the throat.
He's fighting him a little bit.
He's fighting
right?
him, yeah, a little bit.
Right?
Yeah, I would be doing the same thing. Yeah.
Citizen right there.
That's a citizen?
Yep. Here's police right here. Come up. See the shadows.
How you doing, sir?
Right? They're assessing the situation, trying to make establish communications, right?
Assuming they're saying drop the knife.
You just missed that?
I did. Happened so quick.
Watch it. Watch the video. Watch on the backside. That was surveillance from inside the guard.
I
shack.
blinked.
Watch.
I blinked.
Watch.
Hey, somebody in there? Back away! You gotta put that down. Back away! We'll back up. Put it down. Back off of me now! Go! Put your weapon away! You're fucking with me!
Put your weapon away. Okay. I like that.
One shot, right?
Oh, I like that. That's perfect. That was beautiful. That was about 10 yards. Too.
All right, pause that for a second, Steve.
That was about 10 yards.
Did you
through the door crack? Or
right.
It wasn't even. It was about a 2 foot
through the door jam. Through the door jam, right? But did you see when he decided to take the shot?
I wasn't paying that much of attention to.
Okay, so we're gonna rewind it.
Okay.
And I want you to watch the officer's arms.
Okay.
When he takes the shot.
Okay.
He makes a decision that he's gonna take the shot, and you'll see
That's what you gotta do. You think quick.
Okay. Watch his arms. See that? How he came out?
Oh,
just
yep.
Full extension.
Yep.
Right?
For about 3 seconds.
Yep.
So what he was doing was when he fully extended, he was going like this, and he was making sure he had his front sight right on
the dome.
that guy's head.
Yeah.
And he was waiting, and then bang.
Yep. The other officer that was arrived first, because he was the second officer to arrive. Yeah. He wasn't committed to make the shot. Right? He's back away. He goes, okay, I'll back away. Right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So it's a little bit of a cat and mouse situation. If he's interacting with the other cop and it leaves this second officer ready to do his business.
Perfect.
Right?
Contact cover. Yep.
Little distraction.
You distract the guy, and while he's talking to the guy, I'm gonna be staring at that front sight, pulling in that trigger slack, and while he's still talking, bang.
Yep.
And the suspect will just lights out. You hit him in the head, face, lights out. He won't be able to move the knife. He won't even be able to pull the trigger, do nothing.
Yep.
It's like a light switch.
And you'll see it right here when the round hits him.
That's why I got to glare.
Talking,
which is perfect. I'd be talking too. I'd tell him, sir, you don't have to do this.
Right there, dude. Yeah. You can see on the shadow too when he's moving. The officer shoots, he's moving, then he stops, and you can just see him.
Perfect.
Get in the right position. Yep, absolutely.
Perfect presentation. Draw out. Bang.
Look how young he is too, man. Mm-hmm. I bet he's military.
Yeah. That's
so for Reese, military. There you go.
Yep. There you go. Yeah. I mean, that's you couldn't ask for something more. Yeah. That's perfect. Yeah. This might be first 12 donuts. We'll get to that.
For him, for the shooter, for the officer that wasn't involved in the OIS.
Yeah, that was
because this other officer had plenty of opportunities. The prior video that we didn't show shows him talking to him. Say, hey, come on, put that down. Let me talk to you.
Well,
right?
You didn't make me aware of that.
Well, I didn't want to make this a 15-minute video. So
gotcha.
So I want to ask you, what do you think about donuts?
Well,
Kearns County, man.
First off, when the suspect tells you, back up and do something, no, the suspect doesn't tell us what to do. So he can tell us back up, put your weapon away. No offense, dude. Well, you. I'm not putting my weapon away.
Yeah.
I'm not backing up. You're not telling me what to do. Yeah. I'm coming in, and this is going to end relatively quickly, and I don't think you're going to enjoy it. But so that for the cops is, at least he didn't put his gun away.
Yeah.
It wouldn't surprise me, honestly, if one of those cops like Holston. It wouldn't surprise me. But their actions dictate our actions. He's got a knife to a guy's throat. Your gun is out on this guy. Period. There's no other exception, except maybe if they want to have low lethality ready. Yeah. But now we're talking about a hostage situation.
Yeah.
So I'm sorry. When you take a hostage, low lethality pretty much goes out the window. Yeah. You're probably just going to die. And that's just the way it is. So don't take people hostage.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I think the guy who made the shot, honestly, I got to give him 12. It's our first LVCopsTV 12 donuts.
History.
We're going to have to ship him some donuts.
Yeah.
Anyway, whoever you are, officer, you did an outstanding job.
I'll find out. We'll send Kearns County some donuts and say
that dude did a great job.
Yeah, he did. Because you could tell if you watch the video, just normal mode, you could tell when he committed to it.
Yeah.
You can absolutely 110% tell when he committed that he was going to take the headshot.
Yeah. It was good. I liked it. Good. To me, this is the way it should have been handled. Now, when was this?
Right there.
Oh, so okay. So just 2 years ago.
Yep.
Or 2 years ago now.
Yeah.
Year and a half. Nowadays, it seems like when somebody has a hostage, they back away and they turn it into a barricade, and then that can go anywhere from an hour to, we've had barricades out here last up to 22 hours. Talking to the suspect, negotiating this and that.
And there's there's not a hostage in there. He's by himself.
Well, this is So, but it's thousands of hours of manpower and money wasted. I think a psychologist was talking about barricades, and he was saying that time is almost irrelevant. The suspect has already decided what he's going to do.
Mm-hmm.
So whether you talk to him for 10 minutes or 10 hours, the outcome is going to be the same. Whatever the suspect wants as the outcome.
Yeah.
So he's going to dictate it, not us.
Yeah.
The fact that when they came in and this guy was like, look, I'm not going to play around with this guy. We're not going to waste everybody's time. It needs to be ended right now. Because at any time, remember, he had the knife to the guy's throat. He could slice his guy's throat just like that. And then we shoot him, but now we got a dead guy. Yeah. We have a dead victim.
Yeah.
So I think this cop did 100% spot on.
What do they tell us to do? De-escalate.
De-escalate.
And that's exactly what he did.
Shooting somebody in the face is de-escalation. It worked. Did he put the knife down?
Yeah.
He did.
He did.
He dropped the knife, right?
Yep.
There you go. He's the one who chose to go in there and take a dude a hostage and put a knife to his throat. I would never do that to somebody. You know why? I'm going to get shot. I'm going to get shot by the police.
Yeah.
I know that. So he's an idiot. Sorry. And he lost his life for it.
This video came to us from Steve Candelas.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
He asked us to review it. So hope you like that, Steve. Appreciate the review.
Yep. Thanks for sending it to us.
Okay.
If you have any comments about this shooting, leave them below. I think it was
fantastic shoot.
It was awesome. It's perfect. Yep. If you have any questions, ask us at ask@LVCopsTV. We'll hit you back live on video. Like, subscribe, ring the bell. Make sure you subscribe.
Mm-hmm.
Did you subscribe?
I did.
Okay, just making sure.
Yeah, I did.
They're going up a little bit. They're going up
slowly.
Click on the next video here or here, wherever they are. You're smart.
Yeah, figure it out.
Figure it out. Thanks for our friends at Zangief Jiu-Jitsu and Simply Vegas.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
And for those who are still serving, have a safe tour of duty, please.
Make a difference in someone's life. Stay classy, Las Vegas.
Always.